Part 2. Framing. Framing is one of the most important aspects to a good photo. You should always be thinking about your frame. Are you going to be tight on your subject or wide? Will you use the background to help tell the story, or are you going to cut it out of your frame? Most good photos use every part of the frame to tell the story. Nothing should be sticking out of the top of someone's head, or if it's a sunset, nothing should be distracting from it. If you take a look at the work of the most famous photographers, you will see how differently each of them frame their photographs. Each photographer has a distinct style, and understanding how they frame their photos is a good way to learn. Some photographers shoot in cinema verite. Others wait for the perfect moment. And the portrait photographers spend the most time trying to find the perfect frame. Go out and find your perfect framing style.